But you can, you can swim in the winter time.
Yeah, true. The winter's not that cold like this. The winter is not that cold like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't swim in Edmonton's winter, but you could swim in Qingdao. Like
in winter? Maybe no, definitely not. It's cold. It's also cold. It's also winter time.
What about Beijing?
No, in Guangzhou it's okay. Yeah, if we go back, Guangzhou is fine.
Yeah. Yeah, 开这么快的。你刚才是就是玩一下。
对呀。
因为 I just know. I just know it. I got know it. I got know it. Just know it. Just know it.
I'm out of fuel.
What?
I'm out of the fuel.
What the?
That's fine. It's now for the remaining trip.
Yeah. It's not gas. You need gas.
Yeah, I mean gas.
You still have gas, but you don't have fuel. That's okay.
Yeah, the car also is feel like less power now.
Yeah.
Will the fuel.
Not fuel, it's less power. But it's still okay. You can still remain without fuel. Right. Fuel is just for the for if you want to go fast. Right? Fuel is just for the speed.
The pump cannot, the pump needs more fuels when it's working. If the fuel is less fuel, there is a problem with the pump. I'm not sure. It should be. I should be correct. If I don't correct, you can correct me. That's fine.
Gas is very important.
Gas is for this kind of car is important.
Yeah, so gas is for the car so it can move. If you don't have gas, you have no power. Right?
Yeah.
If you don't have the gas, you have no power. But if you don't have fuel, it's kind of okay. But it's bad for the pump.
Oh, so water temper is that gauge is for the water temperature. That connector, I mean.
没插上就不能看到。
Yeah, it's disconnected. That's fine. That's fine.
It's fine.
It's okay.
爸爸。
Yeah.
小白加小白等于什么？
小白加小白。Double back? Double back?
小白兔。
小白兔啊。
所以有两个小白。
哦。
小白兔。
Oh, okay, 小白兔 Yeah. You're right. Yeah, get it.
妈妈给我说的。
Okay.
妈妈就是在刷手机发现的。小白加小白的。
Okay. Scroll down the phone, right?
Yeah. The water type's still good. I know it. I know the water type's good. Because like 我其实脚特 sensitive， 我的脚很 sensitive。所以我其实能 feel 那个 water type。我的脚 no feeling, but water temp. I know that the water temp's pretty good. I still could feel the water. So I think the water temp's still good.
Okay.
I usually, if I'm on this car, I usually feel the water temp, but if that's not connected, I feel it with my foot if it's not connected. If I don't feel it with the car, if it's connected, I'm just like chill out. I'm just like chilled out. So like, my feet is right now touching the ground because I'm really stuck. Wow, over there.
Yeah, there's no space down here. Okay, you go inside. I'll go to refill the car. Okay.
Okay. I'll go inside.
And after I'll go
There's a
through.
nice old chisel.
Yeah, should be fine. Okay.
Okay, we'll do it.
You can leave the bottle with me. That's fine. Remove your seatbelt. Watch out. Yeah. Go ahead. Okay, see you, Ryan. Be careful, okay?
Playlist earn.